Hi, this is Discount Diva. Excuse the appearance. My hair's a little different today. My video is going to be about Macy's. I ordered online that I actually picked up on the store, and that's a crazy experience. I think next time I'll get it dropped off at my house. And I got a surprise thing in the mail like 2 weeks ago, and I haven't always waited to do a regular haul. It's from Oil Valet, the company, Precise Company. I think it's called Unbeliever. If I'm pronouncing it right, I'm sorry if I'm not. I'm not sure why I got it, but I do a lot of surveys on CrowdTap, and you connect with that company, and I think they just sent me this, but I must have got picked for a questionnaire or something that I must have did a survey to. And they gave me a coupon. I don't know if this is new. I think I've seen it in the store before, but I'll let you see it. It's Oil Valet with body wash, shea butter. It's a nice size. It's 2 ounce. It's not a packet. Let's open it up and see. If I can. They wrapped it good, at least. Doesn't want to open up for me. There we go. Oh, it's like mousse. If you can see. I guess you put it on and what does it tell you here? I have to find my glasses on. Olay with Lazarus instant in a thick and luxurious foam that washes away effortlessly. Other advanced foaming body wash goes on smooth, leave on skin feeling weightless and soft. Enjoy the shea butter for body wash. It's interesting. I haven't tried it, as you can see. We've just opened it. It smells light. It's nice. I don't like things too strong because I have asthma. It was nice that I got it. I must have, you get these, you do like a questionnaire and then they pick you could apply. It's like you apply for it. I don't know if you're familiar with them. You do like a profile with them, and then you get all these assignments like to do, and then sometimes you get picked for, to try something out. It didn't give me anything official, just gave me this coupon that's $1 off, if you can see. It's a decent size to try, so you really know if you like it. I'm going to do a review on it. I'm going to try it a few times, and I'll let you guys know if you want to see it, let me know, but I'm going to do it anyway, so. And Macy's bag. See if I can open it, because I forgot to take scissors with me. I'll do a try on for you guys. I just want to show you what I got. I got a JM collection. If you're familiar with Macy's, cold shoulder. That was $14.28. I wish they would put the original price because I got it on clearance. And I got another JM plus size off the shoulder. That was $19.99. And I got Karen Scott printed V-neck tee. That was really cute. Had dogs on it, and I have a dog, and that was $10.70. That came to $44.97. It wasn't bad. Oh, looks different. I'm not sure if I'm going to like it. I got into the tags on it. So, this one was, as you can see, $64.50. Oh, this color came in. There's another off the shoulder. This was $42.50. According to this. Okay, the blue one came to $19.99. It's a good difference. And the silvery gray one was $19.99. And the V-neck. It's a EDV everyday value, $12.98, and I got like $2 off, I think. So this was pretty good. Oh, I thought they were doggies. They're cats. Oh, that's cute. I thought I picked a dog one. But I was wrong. It didn't really say what it was. I thought it was dogs, but I have a cat too, so I really like it. It's a cute color. So I'll be back. I'm going to try on the cat one, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Hi, I'm back. This is it. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little snug. I don't know how to turn it around on this phone. It doesn't let me. So I should have started out this way so you can see. As you can see, it runs small. I got a 2X. I'm usually a 1X. See, I don't know if you can. It's a little snug here. I don't know if you like it like that. I'm wearing workout pants with it. So, and it helps you with your stomach. If I wore jeans, I couldn't wear this. And my stomach would come out too much. So this is it. And that's it. My hair is darker now. I try to do a different color, and I'm not that crazy about it. I don't know if you guys have seen my video. I'd love to get new subscribers and click the bell if you haven't and you are subscribed to me so you can see the videos I come up with. I forgot to mention it earlier in the video. I'll be back with the next shirt. Bye. This is the GM shirt. It's nice, but I don't know if it's too long, but it fits nice on the shoulder, as you can see. You know, I'm going to put the pictures up on Instagram. I've been taking pictures in between. Let me know what you think of it. I'm not sure if I'm buying this too big. Because everything is like, I go up a size to be careful because they run too small or too big. But I really like the color and everything, but I'm not sure if I'm keeping it because it makes me look pregnant. A little. I'm going to ask my husband, see what he says. Second opinion. You guys can give me your opinion and let me know. I mean, it's a cute shirt and all. I like the cold shoulder. I couldn't find any last year that much. You know. It was weird. I was going to Macy's. I couldn't find it. I go to Macy's a lot, or I go to JCPenney. Or I go to Burlington and get a lot of good bargains. I'm a clearance shopper, so sometimes it's hard to find what you want. But this was on sale, and I like that company and brand. I'm going to try on the other shirt, see how that fits. I'll be right back. Sorry. Hi, I'm back with the silvery one. It looks different on TV, but I think I like this one much better. It fits me better. The 1X would have been too tight. Like the sleeve. I'm going to take this shirt for my anniversary in July. We're going to be married for 5 years. And I think definitely. Got stuck in that gut, man. This is it. I really like this shirt, and it covers me. It's not too bad. I got fat arms. Unfortunately, I wasn't blessed in that department. So let me know what you think of this shirt. I'm going to take a picture of it, and I'm going to put it on Instagram. I would love to hear what you think. If it's bad, good, whatever. Just be kind about it. Be right back. I still have this shirt on. Let me know what you think of it. Like I said before, I would like to get a second opinion. I think the blue one, I love the color, but I think I'll return it. It's too long, I think, on the bottom. I don't mind long, but it's like too long. And it's a great shirt. I'm going to try to see if I can get this 1X. It's a beautiful color. I like it and all, but it doesn't fit me right. It makes me look bigger than what I am, and I don't want to do that. I'm not ashamed of being a plus-size girl, but why look bigger if you don't need to look bigger? You just want it to look right. I'm not fat shaming no one. I've been chubby most of my life, okay? So, you know, I've been thinner, I fluctuate like any people that are plus-size do. So, I'll see you real soon. I'll do more videos. I'm going to do a video on the oil valet I just received. I want to thank the company that sent it to me. I think it's called Unreliever. That's the name who makes those products for oil valet. I'm so happy they chose me. They didn't pay me. They just sent it to me because sometimes you get that when you get chosen to be picked to use the product. They didn't ask me to review it, but I reviewed it anyway. So thanks again to them and Macy's. You guys, wish your clothes sometimes. It's not you per se, Macy's, but it's like, you know how it goes. Like, you don't know what size it was, especially when you're ordering online. I haven't seen anything great in the Macy's I go to. Macy's I go to, you know what it is? They don't do enough for plus size. That one, I've been to other Macy's that have better plus size section, but you know, a lot of the department stores, I started rambling on this video, they put this tiny little section for plus size. You know what? There's a lot of plus size girls out there. So they need to cater to us a little bit more, you know. And then they got the regular size, and it's like this long of things, and I don't think it's fair to plus size. That's why I wish I could afford a Lane Bryant, but I can't. And there's not one near me anymore. So I have to go far to go to a Lane Bryant or the Avenue. I like those stores because they're catered to plus size only. But I shop in department stores like Macy's and JCPenney. So I'm sorry if this video is a little bit long. I'll talk to you real soon with a new video.